Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. I want to thank you for joining me for Members Trade of the Week. I'm going to show a couple of members because they both had an awesome trade with the same event. The weekly crude oil report definitely can be challenging to trade, and this week especially, there were 2 weeks combined into one because the EIA, the government agency, had some sort of a system upgrade. You could see Doc made $670 on his crude oil report. Awesome trade, Doc. And Langford made $300 on his. Fantastic. I want to thank both of you for sending me your screenshots. Doc's down in Florida, Langford and Anguilla. So appreciate the shots. Let me show you our trade. We were just doing a sim on it because we don't usually trade the crude oil report, although it's getting better and better these days. I'll show you the movement it had in real time. So the crude oil report had 2 weeks of data. The news is going to get released right now, and there was a very large build in supplies, which usually it should push the price down. Watch what happens. The price is going to shoot up and go through our targets. First, it took a while to fill. It took more than 15 seconds. Then it decided it wanted to move. It burst up, and now it's going to shoot up and go through all the targets and be a real nice winning trade. Excellent crude oil trade. Possible $300 at least in profit, depending on how many contracts. You saw Doc made $600. Very well done. Thanks everyone for posting, and I'll see you next week. Members Trade of the Week.